Hi, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a step counter app in Android using Java. So let's get started. First, we create our project. Here I'm selecting empty view activity. Click on next, name of your project. And here I'm selecting language Java. Click on finish. So here res driver folder. Here I have saved some images that we will use later. Now open activity main.xml. First we design our layout. So here I'm using linear layout, orientation vertical, and here we set the background. So here I've used the image that we saved in driver folder. Now we add a text view. Here remove this. Now we add a text view that will display our target. So here we create a custom progress bar. To create a custom progress bar, here in driver folder, we create a XML file. So click on driver resource file and name it. Click on OK. So this XML file we use to styling the progress bar, and here we use rotate. Now we create another driver XML file. So you click on new driver resource file, and here we name it circular. And this XML file we use to provide a circular background. Now back to main activity.xml, and here we add a progress bar. Now here we add the background, and here we pass our circular file, and now progress driver, here we pass custom progress file. Now we add a linear layout. Now we add our image view, and here we pass our image that we store in drawable folder. Now we add a text view, and this text view show the step. So here you can see I add a one image view and a text view. This text view display the steps. Similarly, we add distance and time. Here this text view display the distance we traveled and the time we covered. So here for the time. So here you can see we add three text view, one for the step, one for distance and one for time. Now we add a button. So here you can see the design. First we define the step goal. So here I said 5,000 and then a progress bar. It will display the progress and the steps show the steps, distance show the distance you traveled and the time you have taken. And this pause button you can pause the progress. Now open main activity. And here first we get the text view ID from XML file by using find view by ID. So here we define sensor manager and this is we use to access the step count sensor. So here we define step count 0, then we define progress bar. And to save the time, here we create private, long, and here we define time pause 0. It shows average step length for adults. Then we create a variable for start time. Now we create variable for step count target, and here we pass 5,000. So we set the target 5,000 So here inside on create method, we initialize start time when the activity is created. Now we use sensor manager to access the step count sensor. Now we use step counter sensor. Now we work on progress bar. So first we get the progress bar ID from XML file. Then we set the limit using setmax, and here we pass step count target. So this will set the maximum value of the progress bar. And now we update the step count target text. So here we use step count target text view, and here we use set text. So if you want to change the target, you can change the value of the step count target. So here I define 5000. So if the step counter sensor not available on this device, it will display a text step counter not available. So here we use step count text view, and here we set the text step counter not available. Now we create an override method on resume. So press Ctrl O or Command O. So if step counter sensor is not equals to null, so here we use register listener, and this method is used to register a listener for sensor events. So here it listens for event generated by step counter sensor like sensor data subscription, real-time updates, etc. Now we call another override method on stop. So when our activity is stop, this method will call. Here I forgot to implement sensor event listener. Now implement both the methods. There is no need to show this. And here on sensor change method, update the step count whenever a new step is detected. So whenever a new step count is detected, it will display in step count text view. So here we set the step count text view. Here we use set text. Now update the progress bar. So here we use set progress, and here we pass step count. So we will check the user has reached the step count target or not. So here we use step count. So if we achieve the target, then we set step counter target text view, and here we set step goal achieved. So this will handle the case when the user is achieved the target. Now we will work on time and distance. So here we use handler for time and distance. Now we calculate the time. So here we display the time in minutes and seconds. Now we set the time in time text view. Now on stop the timer when the activity is paused or stopped. So here we use timer handler dot remove all callbacks. Now on resume, we start the timer whenever the activity is resumed. Now inside the on sensor change, we calculate the distance. Now here we calculate the distance. And here we calculate the distance in kilometer. So here we use the step count. After calculating the distance in kilometer, we set it to the text view. Now we will work on button. So here we write the code when to resume the activity. So here we adjust the start time. Now else to pause the activity. So when is paused is true. Here we set text resume. When here we stop the time when the activity is paused. So here we save the time. Now open manifest file, and here we add some permissions. Now run the project. Here I forgot one line. Now run the project. So here you can see the output. First we set the target 5000 and here circle represent the progress bar and the step count show the steps. Here you can pause the activity. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.